Looks like the bees are being delivered. That's exciting. Alright, we got bees.
April 1st. April Fools.
Uh-huh.
And we don't even have an inch of dead bees, so that's good.
Okay, and the queen is somewhere under here.
So she's attached by this strip, which when I take this off, I have to hold this.
Yeah.
And then she's hanging down, and probably this big blob of bees is where she lives,
Yep.
right in there, because they like to be around her.
Hi, bees. Hello,
right,
Summit
we'll try
Farm
not to-
here. Welcome back.
Welcome back to Summit Farm, April 1st, 2023. We have bees. We don't know how to take care of bees, but we're gonna figure it out. I've got some sugar water ready to soak them down, and I'm gonna hope I remember all the steps to get these bees out of here. Okay, sorry bees. I shouldn't have soaked you quite that much, but I hope you enjoyed that. A little tap or a bonk.
Yeah, you tap the box and the bees fall to the bottom.
Hold on. You can't see, but my heart is racing very greatly.
I'm sure it is.
At the moment. Just gonna remember what I've studied. So, in this setting, the queen cage is attached to this string, and I need to keep a hold of that so she doesn't fall down in the bottom. So I gotta take out this can, the feeder can, and replace it before they all come out of here. And probably before I do that, let me open the hive so we're ready to get her in there. I'm gonna lift this can out of here somehow, which is not the easiest thing in the world. Can we bonk down? This is so hard to grab. Come on, can. Don't lose the queen. Okay, it's alright, it's okay, it's okay. Sorry bees, they're so mad. They're gonna get your ass started right now.
Take these flyers.
Go. Please. Oh no! I crushed one. Whoa! Okay, it's okay. They're mad at me. Thank you for your help. Go on. Oh, okay. There's one in my helmet. I don't know what to do. Help me. Oh, God.
What'd you do?
There's a bee in my helmet. There's a bee in my hood. Give me bees. I really need to clean this up. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Get this close. Get the bee out of your helmet before everything bad happens. Come on, everybody. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, God. I don't want to get stung, though. They're not at me. Okay.
All right, so here we are.
Hello.
Hello. We're done installing the bees. I think They're pretty happy. They're figuring out the entrance. What do you think?
I think if you look at the package, which we placed below the hive so they could make their way to the hive, it's empty now pretty much. And I think that means the bees have moved inside. So they are checking us out.
Yeah, they're kind of all over us right now. They're going as far as over here.
We're enjoying the new views and things, and we'll just see what happens.
Okay, signing off. Till next time. See you later.
Bye.